In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to use one password manager across all your devices seamlessly. If you've been juggling multiple password managers, or even worse, trying to keep track of passwords manually, this is the guide for you. Now, using a password manager across all devices can seem like a challenge, but I'm going to break it down step by step. Whether you're on a PC, Mac, or mobile, the process can be unified for maximum convenience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to pick a password manager. And while there are many options out there, I've tried the most popular ones, and the software we'll be using today is the most seamless and user-friendly across multiple devices. It has apps for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, making it super versatile. Once you've chosen the software, start by creating an account. You'll need a master password. This is the one password you'll always need to remember, so make sure it's strong, but something you won't forget. Now let's get everything set up, download and install the software on your first device. After installation, open the software and log in with the account you just created. From here, you'll want to add your passwords. You can either manually add them or import them from other password managers if you're switching. This feature is especially helpful if you're moving from another service. Next, head over to your other devices and download the same software on each one. When you open the app on these devices, just log in with your account details. Your saved passwords will automatically sync across all devices. This is the magic of cloud syncing, and it's a huge time saver. You won't have to worry about re-entering your passwords or setting up everything from scratch on each device. Another thing you'll love is the browser extension. For any device you use, you can install the extension on your browser, and it'll automatically fill in login details for websites. This feature is a game changer if you don't want to manually enter your credentials every time. Also, make sure you enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This ensures your passwords are even more protected across all devices. By now, your password manager is set up and ready to go. It'll automatically sync your passwords, making it easy to log into all your accounts regardless of the device you're using. Whether you're on your phone, laptop, or desktop, you'll have everything at your fingertips. Key takeaway. The main benefit of using a password manager across all your devices is seamless access to your passwords. Whether you're on your desktop or mobile, everything syncs in real time, keeping your login information safe and accessible wherever you are. Remember, when setting up the software, make sure to enable syncing, install the app on all devices, and use the browser extension for added convenience. Before I go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so make sure you click on that link and follow along. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made managing your passwords across all devices easier.